Want to know how to fix the Google Play Store connection error? This usually means your device can't properly communicate with Google's servers, often due to network issues, corrupted app data, or problems with your Google account. No worries, here's how you can get this problem sorted out without a hassle. But before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Solution 1. Check your internet connection and restart. Let's start with the most basic but often effective steps. Toggle Wi-Fi/mobile data. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If using mobile data, turn mobile data off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Restart router/modem. If you're on Wi-Fi and still have issues, try restarting your home Wi-Fi router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds and plugging them back in. Test connection. Open a web browser like Chrome and try visiting the website like www.google.com and see what happens. If it loads, your internet connection is likely working. Restart your phone. A simple reboot can often clear temporary glitches that are preventing a proper connection. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Play Store and Play services. Corrupted data in the Play Store app itself or Google Play services can frequently lead to connection issues. For Google Play Store, open your phone settings. Go to App or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. For Google Play services, go back to the app list in Settings. Find and tap on Google Play services. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space. And then clear all data. Restart your phone after clearing both. This is crucial for the changes to take effect. Reopen the Play Store and check if the error is resolved. Solution 3. Reset network settings. This will reset all network configurations, Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, to their default settings. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterwards. Reset network settings on Xiaomi. Open the Settings app, tap More Connectivity Options. Scroll down, tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Now simply tap Wi-Fi or mobile data. It will reset your network. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the Google Play Store connection error. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.